Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to adjust your screen color settings on Android. So let's dive in. The first step is you're going to click on your settings, and then after that the next step is click on your display and brightness, and the next step is you see your eye care at the top right here. Click on the eye care button, and this is it. Now let's adjust this the color of our screen. You can see it is in cold, they're going to warm. Now let's adjust it. You can see this is it. If you want to make it more brighter, just off this eye care, and you can see this is too brighter. See, so if you want to adjust it, click on the eye care, and you can use the hand to adjust it to make it more cooler for your eyes. You can see, and there's a custom schedule here for you to have a schedule sunset to sunrise in anytime you want to set it and off it, and this is very easy. So you can see you can just adjust the color of your screen and you can readjust it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, subscribe and comment. Thank you guys.